Welcome back once again to howtocookreadyfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the main stand, as you can see right here, we've got pork and mushrooms, Chinese style. Really, really super delicious and really easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. So at the back, the two stars of the show, which are the pork. I've got a pork leg, nice and lean, cut into nice strips. Here I've got mushrooms, fresh white mushrooms. I'm using white onion for this one. Just here I've got some baking soda. Here I've got some soy sauce. I've got a light one. You could use dark if you want, but I prefer light in this one. Oyster sauce, cornstarch or corn flour, sesame seed oil. At the front here I've got some ginger cut into nice thick long sticks and some garlic chopped nicely. We're going to get to the wok. We're going to start with a touch of oil. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper. That's about it. So I've got a mixing bowl here. I've got one glove on. I'm going to use that because I'm going to mix this up. Now you can see I've cut my pork into nice strips like that. We're going to add to this some black pepper. We're going to add that baking soda. We're going to add the cornstarch or corn flour, whatever you call that. It is the same thing, by the way. And then that light soy. In that goes. I'm just going to add a little bit of our sesame oil, just a little touch there, and the rest we're going to put in at the end to give it a nice nutty flavour. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my hand and mix this up, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get to the cooker, get our pan or our wok on, fry this off, and this is going to be done in no time. Okay, so I've got my wok on here, or you're going to need a skillet or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil just here, not the sesame. It will just burn off, you see. We'll add that later for taste. And we're getting this really hot. That needs to be on maximum heat. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab our pork, I'm going to drop it in, and we're going to fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes, moving it pretty much all the time. So as you can see, we've got some lovely colour on this, and it's raging, really maximum heat. We're now going to add in our ginger. You can chop it smaller than this if you want. I just like the kind of bite size of it, and you can nice and chunky later on. We're going to add our garlic, our onions, and our mushrooms, and staying on this very high heat. Again, we're going to go for another 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, so I've just turned the heat down a little bit. Nice crunch on the mushrooms and on the onion. What we're going to do now is add a little touch of water. We're going to add that sesame oil, nice nutty flavour at the end there, and we're going to get in that oyster sauce. Fabulous. We're going to cook this for now just like 2 minutes, and if you want to thicken this up, you can just add a little bit of cornstarch or corn flour with a touch of water, a little solution. I'll show you that in a moment, but let this just go for a couple of minutes. Amazing. So a little bit liquidy, you might want it thicker, so if you want to do that, what we've got here is a little bit of water mixed with like a teaspoon or so of cornstarch. You can drop that in and get it as thick or as thin as you like. Just run the heat through that and you can see instantly the cornstarch thickens and it gives it that kind of regular kind of glossy glaze. Look at that, wonderful. Okay, off goes the heat. I'll see you at the table. Okay, there you go. Just finish that off with some green onions or spring onions. That is absolutely delicious. You won't find that in your Chinese restaurant. That is super banging. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.